Hope it's going well for you. I just want to cover a topic today is that how do you fix indigestion? I'm just gonna tell you how to fix it, but I'm gonna give you the reason what causes like the symptom indigestion is that burning in the stomach or abdominal area or burning sensation or you feel bloated, gas, nausea, but you want to vomit but you can't vomit, and then like dry burping, and then dry burping, like you feel like you want to throw up, but actually it's you can't throw up, and then it takes time to burp, or maybe you have to move around. Um, what cause what who's at risk for like what can cause indigestion is like maybe the food you eat or the food or drinks. Alcohol is one, maybe drugs or aspirin, painkillers, or maybe drinking too much caffeine. That's what happened to me when I drink too much caffeine. So and stuff like that, and then a whole bunch of digestive issues, with indigestion. So so how do you fix indigestion? Um, you need to take enzymes. Your body needs enzymes in order to work with your gut, your whole digestive system. When your body don't have enzyme, it won't break down the proteins and amino acids. So it's just getting clogged up there, and it got undigested, and it's rotting in your system. It can't break down the food and then help pH your gut health. So when people say take peppermint tea or whatever, ginger tea, apple cider vinegar, none of that works. It's gonna make it worse because your body don't have the enzymes to break down all those stuff that you're taking. It won't help. It won't even break down the supplements you're taking. Even you're making the symptom worse. So it's gonna cause worse. I tried it before and don't do it. I'm just telling you. When you take the enzymes, it breaks down all the stuff and it helps balance your gut health and cleanses the blood and supports immunity health, and it actually breaks down your gut, and then it takes time to heal, and then afterwards you take the probiotics. So you take the daily digest, so you take 3 capsules, and then you take the before a hot meal, then you take the probiotics, which with your gut or with healthy bacteria. If you have like parasites and all these bacteria and stuff like that, and the prescription drugs, it's really bad for you. So if you have like dry burp or you feel like throwing up, the probiotics will help after eating or drinking. Like when I was drinking caffeine, I was about to like, oh dude, I can't burp. I couldn't burp at all. So how did I fix my digestion? I took the probiotic, take 1 capsule. I don't like to swallow pills, so I take 1 capsule, take it apart, put it in my mouth. Within like 15, I would say like 5, 10 minutes, or maybe or 15 minutes, and then I just help balance my gut and help alkalinize my gut, and I actually start burping it out. And then cause I help burp things out without having the dry burp. That the probiotic helps with that since I was drinking too much caffeine. But when I was trying, if I didn't take the probiotics, like when I was trying to burp, and then I was about to feel like you have the feeling, and then you're about to throw up, but it doesn't tell you to throw up, but it's just like burping all the gas out there because you're drinking too much caffeine and stuff like that. And I did that, but I did that and drinking caffeine, and then I burp, and then it was like dry burp, feel like you want to throw up, like dry burp. So I didn't have enough probiotics, and I had to keep drinking water. So I had to drink water. Water will always help. Not cold water, but hot water will help with your digestion. So that's it. So you need both supplements to help with your gut, with your indigestion. You need the enzymes to help digest your food or supplements you're taking. And then the last step is to take the probiotics plural. So you need both supplements in order to work. And it was going to take time to heal. And that's how you fix indigestion. You need an enzymes and a probiotic. And it goes hand in hand together. And it will work. And you will benefit. You'll thank me. But it's not to get a fast results. But I'm not here to say it prevent, treat, or diagnose any disease, but you'll thank me. You'll thank me from staying away from all these prescription drug PPI and all these supplements that doesn't work because there's no regulation to supplement. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Hope you give me a thumbs up and like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, Michael. Woo! That's how you fix indigestion. Thank you.